We humans complicate things. I know I do. Thoughts become as difficult to navigate as the streets of the unknown city. Communication can be as winding and as hectic as a bustling marketplace. And yet, in the search for understanding, we go so far as to construct concrete jungles, where we find ourselves closer and closer to a mirror. Our stray highways circle the simplest of truths and leave the present covered in exhaust while we chase tomorrow in search of lost time. This summer, while I was in Hawaii, I felt a sense of peace in an otherwise claustrophobic existence. This beauty can be a rebirth of sorts, and there is nothing like the beauty of the present moment. I find the present moment only in nature and in art. Then the seasons fly by, and the horizon grows closer. On October 12th, I found a gathering of colors so striking born in these leaves that I needed to hold one, to feel it, to experience it. It was bestowing a precious awareness, and to not take advantage would be a failure to understand my place in its world. How many more opportunities do I have to experience the now? Suddenly yet unexpectedly, the seasons blow by and the horizon grows closer still. On November 17th, the wind cried gently for the color green, the night taking its eternal turn off of Sunset Boulevard. The woods stood barren. There was no sign of change. The horizon had been swallowed by our indifference.